Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about some error warning and about 3 words that are often confused. They are confusing, no, they are 1, 2, 3. Oh, right. They are prescription, recept, and recipe. The first one, prescription, when we use that. A prescription is the piece of paper on which the doctor writes the medicine you need, right? So the doctor gave me a prescription for antibiotics. Second one, recept. A recept is a piece of paper you receive to show you have paid. I always keep the receipt when I buy clothes, in case I want to change anything later. So what is the correct pronunciation of this word? Recept, recept, or receipt? Comment below. Finally, we have the last word, and is recipe. It's very common, we use very often this word. A recipe is a set of instructions telling you how to prepare and cook food. Honestly, I don't I don't watch any, I don't study, I don't take a look any kind of recipe before I cooking. I just trying whatever. My mother gave me a really good recipe for bread. Today I'm going to make some Chinese bun, which is called mantou, and I don't follow any recipe to do that.